and welcome back, and it's Vlogmas December 1st. I pray this gets out December 1st because I promised Lisa. Okay, yeah, I think if you guys have followed me on Facebook, if not, there's a little arrow over here. I think if I can do it, you can, all of my social media, and you can follow my furry dozen. When I say furry dozen, that means, yeah, this little thing right here, I'm gonna turn it around. God, she's killing me. Yeah, do you see her? Do you see her? She is such a little stinker, and she got a hold of my yarn again, and she got a hold of an ornament. Do you see that? Let me show you something, guys. Yeah, don't mind the mess. You see these little silky kind of ornaments kind of thing on one of the Christmas trees here. She grabbed a whole, I'm thinking, what is this blue stuff that she has everywhere? As you can tell, here's some here, and then that's Ava, that's Luna, and then Badness, and of course Miss Blues. She's just like, Mom, I didn't do this. I promise I did not do this. I promise. So I'm needing to pick this up, and the reasoning is so important that I get this. I was laying down. It is so cold compared to what we're used to here in El Paso, and I don't want this to get in their stomach. So yeah, that was an ornament. Do you see that? Hopefully it'll focus. Yeah, isn't that just beautiful? Yeah, yeah. Let's see if we can find, who did that? Who? That's really, really odd. Poppy, Luna, is it coming? It's coming in. And then I have Ava, and of course Miss Blues, and Poppy, and Badness. Now it's focusing. That was really odd. That took forever. But see, yeah, and that's Ginger. Let me see if I can bring her in closer. Yeah, there she is. Yeah. Hey, Ginger. Ginger, did you get a hold of Mom's yarn? Did you play with this? Did you get a hold of this? Look at her. No. You gotta love her. You gotta love her. Whoop, sorry. Yeah. Who got a hold of my yarn? Who got a hold of my yarn? Yeah. I guess you know what? You. Yeah. You can't get mad at them. So, oh, it's so much warmer in here. So I'm gonna set up my computer, and then we are going to zoom out on her. We're going to get started editing. So yeah, okay. Very first video today. I'm starting it pretty late. It is about 4:30, and it's going to be a short video, and it's going to be bits and pieces of what has been happening since I had left the house for a little bit and came back. I had just accomplished a really, really cool thing. I just got my figured out, you know, I'm only 49. That's all I am. I'm only 49 years young. That's all. I just figured out how to speak to my Google to operate my TV to make it stop on the YouTube or begin, and I had to pause it. And the only thing I'm trying to figure out, and maybe you can leave a comment in the comments, how to shut it off and turn it on using Google. I've been searching, and I mean, I just can't find it. And I've went in through my menu, and I still cannot find it. So it is, like I said, about 4:30. I'm starting late, but I had made a goal. I have to accomplish this goal. Tomorrow is going to be, I need to do my advent calendar. So while I'm doing all of that, I'm going to show you something very, very special. And it's going to be a very simple video today. And but it will be getting more and more unique during the month, if that makes sense. I am starting today's December 1st, and I haven't used this since my kids have been little. My mother had made this, so I'm going to take you with me. Yes, hopefully. And over here, my mother had made this, and it is an Advent wall hanging, and it's done very, very beautifully. And she has little buttons on here that you would hang the 25 days of Christmas. So we're going to start with day 1. Maybe we should left to right. Yeah, let's do that. So we're going to start here, and over here is where I keep them. Here are all the little things that we're going to add on for the next 25 days. So today it's called the Advent Quilt, and it says fill the tree starting with the bottom row and ending at the top. Daily beginning December 1st. Of course, you are free to hang the ornaments as you desire. The bottom row, you're going to start with the candy cane. Oh, the candy cane. So I hopefully have them in order so it won't be such a mess when we put it on the Advent calendar. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this, if I'm able to do with one hand. I just got my nails redone. They were so long before. Let's see if I can do this. I might have to pause. Hold on, guys. I apologize. Let's see if they behave while I'm doing this. You know, you have to get them on tape. I think you guys are seeing Paloma. That's Paloma. She's the dancer. She loves to stand on her hind legs and dance. And then I think you're looking at Luna. Luna is the biggest baby of all. She's a very, very protective of mommy, and she doesn't like to share mommy. So she gets somewhat aggressive. I think we all have one of those, you know. I'm still trying to get the little candy cane on here. And I don't know why I'm making this more difficult than I need to. And voila, we have to have faith. Okay, can I take, are you doing good? Are you, look at the mess. Oh, do you see Ginger over there? I don't know if you see her. There's Ginger right there. And then I have Ava. Ava's right there. Yeah, there's baby Ava. So while we're coming up, we got the first candy cane, the first item on the Advent calendar. A lot of the vlogs that you'll be seeing through YouTube is going to be like opening up boxes. I am going to be doing my quilt. So this year, the first one will be the candy cane, December 2nd. I'm not sure what that will be, but we'll follow along for the next 25 days. So then me being here by myself for the holidays, because Ray's deployed, we can spend this quality time together and enjoy this together. Yeah, look at this mess. It's a mess. So only thing I can say to you today, I had a really, really good afternoon. The person that does my nails, I love him. He's a very, very in tune to what goes on today, and we just have to pay it forward. And I just have to share with you a very, very special little thing. And I should have probably okayed with him first. But while I was sitting there and he was working on my nails, this woman comes in, and she was standing there, and he caught her at the corner of his eye, and he got up and he ran to the front. And then he opened a drawer and he took out something, and he put it in her hands, and she said, "Thank you." And he said, "You're very welcome." And she left, and I'm thinking, And I got a little teary-eyed, and he come and sit down, and I go, "You know, you're a good man. You're a good man. I know exactly what you did, and you're a good man." And he stated to me that his sister used to read him a story about a saint that would, there's a child that would get 2 loaves of bread. And during that time, he would walk home, but he would keep one for the family, but give one to one that's in need. And it's always best to pay forward or give, because whatever you give, you'll give back twice-fold. So it was very, very humbling to see that today, and beginning to be Vlogmas December 1st. It was very, very spiritual. And in a way, it just makes you know that in the world we are today, I want you to always remember, you know, the glare. I apologize, guys. I cannot stress this enough. Even though it's the candy cane, what does a candy cane represent? There's always a story about the candy cane and the red and white and the love, and how the hook of the, you know, of the candy cane as representing the hook for the shepherds. So it's, I should probably pause you. Hold on just for a moment. Okay. I just found something on Google, and it states there that the candy cane is originated in Germany about 250 years ago. They started as a straight white sugar sticks. The story says that the choir master in 1670 was worried about the children sitting quietly all through the long Christmas nativity service, so he gave them something to eat to keep them quiet. As he wanted to remind them of Christmas, he made them the leather J to look like the shepherd hooks, to remind them of the shepherds that visited baby Jesus on the first Christmas. However, the earliest record of the candy canes came from over 200 years later, so the story, although rather nice, probably isn't true. Sometime since the 1900s, the red stripes were added, and they were flavored with peppermint or wintergreen. Sometimes the Christian's meaning given the parts of the candy cane, the J represents Jesus. The white of the cane represents the purity of Jesus Christ, and the red stripes represents the blood that he shed as he died on the cross. The peppermint flavor can represent the hospice plant that was used for purifying the Bible. So, I didn't know that Germany, was quite interesting to help the children to not become, you know, restless during the Christmas season as the choir and the nativity service, I should say. So that's really nice, and I think what I'm going to do, and I'm going to do that, I never thought about it till now, is each of the items for the 25 days of Christmas, for the quilt, the Advent quilt, is what each of them mean for the Christmas holiday. So come back and visit me tomorrow on Vlogmas 2 for Christmas. We'll find out what that item is. So I love you. It's been a good day. And the thing is when the gentleman who helped me at the place I got my nails done, he paid it forward. He didn't want me to know, but he was so humbled because he goes, "You're a good woman. I didn't even have to say anything. You know what I did." I go, "Yes, I know what you did." And you know what? He knows what you did. So if you see someone tomorrow or tonight, whenever you see this, or keep in the back of your mind, pay it forward. I love you. And always remember, be good to yourself, be good to others, because we just don't know what part of their journey they're on. Thank you. Remember to hit subscribe if you enjoyed this, and to hear the next 25 days of my Christmas. Love you. Bye-bye. You ready? Do we need to edit this? Yes. We need to edit this. Thank you, guys.